Welcome Veg Champions. Today we're going to be making
juice.
We're going to make two different fruit and veg drinks today. We're going to make carrot and ginger with orange.
And cucumber apple with mint.
So these are going to go in the juicer, so they don't need to be chopped too finely, just small enough to go into our juicer. And of course we've got some mint, we've got the cucumber, which we're going to leave the peel on because the peel got lots of flavours in it, and some apples. We've got some nice eating apples. We picked these from the local orchard because it was orchard picking day, and they're really well priced, and we get some really interesting apples that you can't normally get from the shops.
So now it's time to juice our fruits and veggies. We're going to try and push some mint through it to see if we can get some juice out of that. So now we're going to pour that juice into some ice lolly moulds and a cup.
What we're going to do is we're going to put some of the leaves from the mint into our juice box bowls. Wooden spoon, and just give the mint a bash to bruise it so that more of the mint flavour will come out. There we go, now we've got two really healthy juice drinks that are actually probably more like a snack. They'd be perfect this afternoon when it gets really hot. So let's try out our apple, cucumber and mint drink. Now it did separate out when we first left it in the fridge for a while, but with a bit of a shake it's all come back together in, and I put an ice cube in each one as well because it's this weather, isn't it? So let's try this. That is really nice, isn't it?
It's really refreshing.
It is, and actually really healthy as well because it's got loads of apple, loads of cucumber, and then just a bit of mint, no sugar, nothing else. For this one, which is carrot, orange and ginger, you can, if you want, use ground ginger, but we got some fresh ginger, and you can use store-bought orange juice as well, but we found some oranges that we're going to use. If you shop around, you can get oranges quite cheap. Down the street where we live, sometimes we can get 6, 7, 8, even 10 oranges for about £1. They do need to be used that day, but that's what we're going to do just now. So peel and chop into small enough lumps to go into the juicer. You can actually peel the ginger with a peeler, but it actually peels very easily just with a blunt knife or even a spoon.
Just like last time, we have to put our vegetables and our fruit in the juicer. We're going to save all of the shredded carrot to make carrot cake with. So now we're going to be again filling up ice lolly moulds.
And we're going to put these into cups again, and we're going to have these probably, maybe we'll save these till tomorrow now, and we'll have this tomorrow for a drinkable snack. Let's try our carrot and orange drink then. There was actually more than that, wasn't there? But we gave some to Mum, and we've got our massive ice cubes, as you can see.
You spent about 15 minutes looking for a glass that would fit them.
I did actually. We had to get our. This is not a plastic this is not a plastic cup, compostable ones that we've got that we take to festivals, because we wanted to show off our ice cubes and we couldn't because we didn't have a clear glass that was big enough. Here we go then. And then some for me.
That's even.
Is that even?
No, of course not.
Is it not? Okay then. Let's make this even then.
Thank you.
Okay, that's apparently even. Here we go then. Here we go, let's try this one then. Give it a little swirl to help cool down even more. Oh, that is really nice, isn't it? Mm. The ginger really adds to it. It's got obviously got loads more carrot than it has in that super juice drink that we bought. There was basically, you could tell it was orange juice with some carrot in there, but you can really taste the carrot in there. And actually, I think it is worth looking around for oranges if you can get them. Oranges can be quite expensive compared to orange juice, but like I said, if we shop around, we can get maybe 8, sometimes 10 oranges for £1 from the shops down the road. So it is worth looking. So cheers.